here's the scene. This is a road. At the moment it's a bloody creek. Houses next door flooded at the lowest level. How do you think what Mickey's paddock's looking like? We've got to go and get the boy and see how he's going. Okay, this is the paddock situation and it's getting pretty bloody dire. There's no way in hell he's going to survive high tide in a few hours at 1 o'clock in the morning. So he's hoping we can get some rescue arranged and I'll lead him out of here. Okay, Mickey, it's evacuation time. There's no way in hell this tide is coming in. It's getting even deeper and you're off your little island. There's no way you could come here and stay here tonight. So we're going to walk you up the road and get you to a safer place. Good boy, Mickey. Try and find a way through these floodwaters, hey? And down the road, get you somewhere else for the night. Good boy, Mickey, well done. Well done, Mickey. What we do is walk down this road. Sort of a road, more like a creek at the moment. Those lights are where we can get hopefully some rescue. Good boy, Mickey, well done.